Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Keeping It with BB. If you're new, I do fashion and beauty videos, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to watch another video. So today I'll be filming a pack with me because I will be going on vacation and I will be vlogging for that vacation so that you guys can keep up with me while I'm out having fun and enjoying myself on this much needed, long awaited vacation. I love watching pack with me videos. I thought it'd be interesting just to show you all what I'll be taking with me. I'm gonna go through clothes in this video, and I might go through body care and skincare as well. I don't think I'm gonna go through makeup on this. Maybe I'll do something on my Instagram story, so be sure to follow me. I always have my Instagram linked in the description bar. And just because you guys always see me using makeup, using products here, I just wanted this video to be a little bit different. So let's go ahead and get started with swimwear and cover-ups and things that I would wear to the pool or beach. If you're into fashion like me, then you know that terry fabric, which is like towel fabric, terry toweling fabric, has really come back this season. And I found this romper at an antique store that I frequent here. Needed a new zipper, but I was able to get that altered here locally as well, and it turned out really good. It has a really cute belt on it. I'm really excited to wear this, and there's a pocket right here, and I just like it because it's vintage and I didn't spend that much money on it. It was something that I wanted, something that I was looking for, and I saved money, and I was being sustainable because I didn't buy one directly new for the season. So yeah, that is the first beach romper. I'd probably just wear this to the pool and or to the beach. The second item is another romper. This is more of a cream off-white color, and I picked this one up at Urban Outfitters. I really love the waffling detail on here, and I did get this one on sale. It is quite short though. There are pockets here, but yeah, like I said, it's quite short. But this is something I'd strictly wear as a cover-up, just like the other romper, but I like that it's a little bit different color. So the last thing kind of in this similar type of clothing is another terry toweling outfit. This is a set that I got from H&M. I haven't shopped at H&M in years, but I was happy to see that they are being more conscious about the materials that they're using. As you can see, this is 53% recycled polyester. So I just got the shorts and I got the shirt that goes along with it, and it's just that same terry toweling fabric. This is something that I would just throw on if I'm going downstairs to eat breakfast or walking to get a cup of coffee just before we're getting the day started, and I would of course wear it to the pool as well, or just kind of like around the hotel area. We can go ahead and get into swimwear, and I'm really into this crinkle material that is really popular this season. I got this top. This is from ASOS, and this is the bottom. It doesn't look like much here, but I will have a try on beside me so that you can see what this looks like on me. I also purchased a one piece in that same crinkle material, and these are a one size fits all. There's a certain range of sizes that this is supposed to fit, and I would say that these fit me pretty well, and I'm generally a size 4'6". Got another one. This is from And Other Stories that's in that similar crinkle material. This is the top, and it has just the knot here, and this is a high waist bottom as well. I would say I probably should have sized down on the bottoms. These are a size 8. I should have gotten the size 6, but they still fit and work for what I need them to do. And I really like And Other Stories. I like their quality, so would highly recommend that. And the last swimsuit that I'm taking is another high waist bikini. I really like high waist if I'm going to be wearing a bikini. This is from Ghani. This is the bottom here. I get these. I'm generally a size 38 in Ghani, and that is what these bottoms are. They fit me perfectly, not too tight, not too loose. And I am smaller on the top, so I got the size 36 on the top, which is a size 4. And I really like the style of this top a lot. Let me show you what it looks like if I can hold it up. And this material is 100% recycled. I think it's nylon that it's made out of. But Ghani has a lot of sustainable initiatives that they use within their brand, and they use a lot of recycled materials on a lot of their things as well. So I have two high waist pairs of shorts that I'll be taking with me. The first pair is these tailored cuffed pleated shorts from Talbot's. I absolutely love these shorts. They're really flowy, 100% linen, so they're very breathable, and they'll, you know, feel really good in that hot Miami and Jamaica heat. So I'm really glad to be bringing these with me. Love these, and those I bought off of eBay. I actually mentioned them in my last video, where my second to last video, where I did a pre-loved haul, and I'll link that here so that you can watch that as well. And the other pairs of shorts that I'll be taking are these from Talbot's as well. They're vintage as well, and these are just a little bit longer than the black ones, but these are 100% linen as well, and the quality of these is just, it's amazing. And they have these pleats too. So really excited to be taking these linen shorts with me. I can wear them with a bunch of different things, and I have 2 or 3 shirts that I know that I'll be able to just throw on with these and just a tank top underneath. So a tip when packing for traveling, and I'll be gone for 2 weeks, so it's easy to overpack for a 2-week trip, but I try to take versatile pieces. So with those 2 shorts, I could easily interchange them with all of these shirts. This is a white vintage Christian Dior shirt that I love. I got this off eBay. The second one is, and these are all men's shirts, and they fit me very oversized, just like the one that I have on right now. This is a shirt, it's actually from Nordstrom, but I thrifted it from Goodwill, and it's just a really nice white shirt with some stripes going through it, very subtle stripes going through. And I love this shirt. I could just throw it on with either pair of those shorts and just a tank top underneath, and another one as well. It's very similar to the one I have on, but it's lighter, and this is a Ralph Lauren shirt that I thrifted as well. And I'll be styling all these outfits here on the side so you can see what they look like, and you'll see what I mean when I'm talking about the versatility of them. I think I'll be taking these denim shorts just in case. It will be hot for denim, but at least they're shorts, and these are my A Goldie 90s denim shorts. I love these, and I also have a pair in black as well. My black pair, I wear size 27 in these, but I don't think I'll be taking the black ones just because I already have a black pair of shorts that I'm packing to take with me. And I'm taking 2 high neck tank tops. I have a white one here, and I also have a black one, and these I believe are from H&M. And the only t-shirt type of shirt that I'm taking with me is this shirt right here, and this is from Mango. It is that Frankie Shop play on the shoulders here. I think the Frankie Shop was the first company or brand that did that you know, made the shoulder pad t-shirts. But that is what this is, and it's just like a light brown color. So I am taking a few dresses with me for this trip. I am taking my new road dress that you guys have just seen me style in my pre-loved haul. I love this dress. It is a staple for my trip, and I'm really excited about it. The second dress I have here is new as well, from the Christopher John Rogers collaboration at Target. I love the colors of this dress, and I think it's gonna go really well with the theme, the tropical theme of my trip. So really excited about this one. And just to throw some more color in there, this is a dress that I picked up from a local boutique here, and it's really cute. I love the smocking detail here, the ruffles and the low cut. And I love the sleeves too, and there's a little tie knot here on the sleeves. This dress is just really cute, and it caught my eye as soon as I saw it. I will also be taking this new vintage Celine Scarf that I purchased off of Etsy, and I got this simply to wear over my head like this, under my hats and such, or just like alone like this. I think this is really cute, and it really does give me vacation vibes, and I really love the colors. It's like a periwinkle blue and navy blue through there, and it just says Celine across, and really love this. The seller that I bought this from actually has a lot of designer scarves for really good prices. So just for shoes really quickly, just want to show you what I'm taking. I'm taking these white sandals that I recently purchased from St. Agni. They are really nice quality. They're actually not white, they're more of like an off-white. I'll also be taking my new Eileen Fisher just plain black leather sandals. Love these, and they go with a lot as well. I'll also be taking these fisherman style sandals that I got from Sincerely Tommy with me on the trip as well. I love the style of these shoes, but I really cannot stand the closure here. It's just very complicated, not user friendly at all. So for that, I would not recommend these shoes, but I did at least want to show you that I probably will be taking them with me. For hats, I will be taking my tried and true Jacquemus hat that I love and wear all the time. I love this hat so much. So I just recently picked up this rattan visor, and I will be taking this with me too. I think it's really super cute, and it is SPF 50, so I'm really glad to have this one. So my bag of choice for this trip will be my vintage Gucci belt bag, just because it's very small, it's compact, it's easy to just throw over my shoulder, across my chest, around my waist, anything like that. And it's very neutral color, so it pretty much goes with everything that I'm bringing with me. And when I'm traveling in the airport, I can just throw this inside of my personal item bag. So it's not like I'm actually carrying like a purse. I could just fold it like this and put it inside of my keep all, which is this bag right here. This is what I normally take as my personal item, and I normally put my makeup in here, my shoes, my jewelry, things like that. I'll carry with me because I just feel like it's safer here. And I can just throw this in there so that they're not counting this as a personal item, because I will have a carry-on bag with me as well, and I will show you that too. So this is the bag that I use as my carry-on item. I don't know if I'll be checking a bag this time around, just because I feel like I'm gonna be able to fit everything within here and my Louis Vuitton keep all, I think. So we'll see.